Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is FIKRIANSYAH and now I'm still in class 12 Social 2. Now I want to explain how to make a paper airplane. First, prepare a paper with a rectangular shape. Second, fold the paper vertically to make it easier to manufacture. Third, fold the ends following the line that was meant to resemble a triangle. Fourth, fold each end again until it touches the center line that has been made. Fifth, fold the end of the paper in the middle so that it covers the two previous folds. And sixth, make the folds into two middle parts. Seventh, fold each side to make the wings of the plane. And finally, the plane is ready to be flown to Mars. Thank you so much for me, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.